Right, I'm going to cook boiled potatoes. I know you can't really see it there, can you? But with boiled potatoes, Mediterranean vegetables in the pan. Maybe that there and there. Okay, I'm going to add the pepper because I've eaten half of that anyway. So it's a red pepper. I'm going to add an onion. And I'm going to have some, it's like breaded chicken in the bag, and I'm going to put that in my collagen. Stick that in there. And while that's cooking, 20 minutes. And with this Mediterranean vegetables, it's like a basil dressing there, but I just, it says on there basil dressing, but what I do is I'll make my own, so I'll show you how I make it. I don't really like this process one because I like factory made. There you go. There's always an answer. Right, I haven't got any water in the tank, and I don't really want to use water anyway, so I use bottled water in here. Now, I'm not going to do mashed potatoes because of the washing up situation, because you know when you're doing mashed potatoes it's like bits everywhere. Do I'll cut this up. Bad bit in the middle. These are the potatoes I grew in the garden myself, my friend's garden. He didn't want them, so he said, "You have them." I don't want them. Yes, they got dirt on them. And they were all different sizes. And you can tell, look, it's like, I don't know if you can see that. There you go. That's a garden grown potato from a little potato I just stuck in the earth. You know, there's ones that go to seed and they have lots of, it looks like they're sprouting. Well, I did that. Any more in there? Yeah, there's one more. Oh God, I think I made too much. I just stuck one of these in the ground and it grew and it got loads of potatoes from it. Loads, you know, absolutely loads. Right, that's that. I'll put those there for now. Make sure that that does not touch that. We're going to cut these up a little bit more. It's M&S Mediterranean vegetables. I love them, I really do. Courgettes, onions, pepper. They've got the tomatoes in them. I don't really like tomatoes, but I'll give it a go. See what they're like. Cooked tomatoes are not so bad. And if I just cook them really well, they might go alright for me. Cut the red peppers up. And I think we'll put some, what do I call it? Oh, and I had a sort out of my container again today. Oh my goodness me. Can you see this? I found it. I should really... I've got it hung up here because it's the safest place for it. Safe place for bloody... You can see my peppers, and I put them in this to stop everything falling out. So there you go. I have got loads now, loads of choice. I usually stick it on the side, but because I haven't got any room, I've hung it by bungee cords on the back of my door. Anyway, what was I going to do? This. Get some coconut oil in there. Should really get the potatoes on. So that's coconut oil. Different coconut oil today. I've run out of the other. It says cold pressed and 100% raw. It'd be 100% raw coconut. Right, let's get the potatoes on. And guess what I've got? A lid for my frying pan. Yay! How to make a girl happy. Right, let's get these on. Okay, as they're boiling, I'm going to add lots of, oops, damn it, everything's clean anyway, so. I might put a little bit too much there, a bit overzealous with the fat, but put this on low. Yay! Oh, and you know what? Somebody fixed my cooker for me. My hob. Do you know what was wrong with it? Underneath here, there's like wires coming from the actual gas thing to go up to the hob, and those were like scrunched together, and that's because I've been putting things on top of this basket and pushing it under there and not really paying any attention to what was going on under there, and that's why it wasn't working. Somebody asked me, what do I use to clean all the tops with? Detox. The pads. So antibiotic resistant, MRSA, and Dettol pads, not detox. And that's what I'm going to be washing up with, I think, today, and I'll just have to find somewhere where I can wash it up properly, because you can't, you know, wash these things with these pads and then eat with them, because you'll be taking that inside you, and that won't be very nice. Right, is that still on? Yeah. More mushroom. No, I wish I did have some mushrooms. I haven't got any. I love mushrooms and I love onion. Put that all in there. Put them in there. I've got enough in there, I don't need any more. Right, how do I make my little... Thing is, I haven't got my to squash it with, so maybe I ought to not just make it, don't be fancy and just eat the basil pack that comes with it. So, basil oil dressing. Yeah, make my own. I won't squash it on though, I'll just... Okay, what we've got here is olive oil. Can you see it? There you go. There's the thing. Olive oil. Makes it nice and thick. And put mustard. Just going to put a little bit in there. Just that much. Just on the knife there. Because I don't really like a lot of mustard. Garlic salt. I'll put just a little bit. Cumin. There's the honey. Like that. Be careful because I'm on a bit of a slope, so I don't really want all this stuff falling out on top of me. I need some herbs in there as well. Put that like that. Don't want it boiling over, do I? Worcester honey, local honey, just a teaspoon. And I put it at the top to keep it liquid, because if I put it in the bottom it goes cool, and when honey goes cool it goes solid, and then you have to heat it up again. That's how good. Alright, we need to get some herbs in here as well. And you know what? I'm growing my own herbs, my own little herb garden. I saw a... oh no! Why did that do that? It never usually does that. Thank goodness I was there watching it. Okay. I saw her on a YouTube channel. On the dashboard, somebody had put some like little pots of herbs and stuff, and I was thinking, oh, I could do that. Just have to find something to put on the dashboard. Salt. Look, somebody said, don't have too much salt. Oh, well, I don't. This is about as much as I have. Why do you keep doing this? Maybe it's because of the lid. That's about as much as I have. Pepper. A little bit more of that anyway. And then coriander leaf. Funny, I've just been staying with that. There you go. I've got any basil. I don't think I have got any basil. It's all nice and like gooey. You can see that. That's the oil and the honey that's done that. It's nice. What you do is when the Mediterranean things are cooked, you can pour that over it. Be nice. Now, to make the potatoes taste nice, I'm going to put some coriander in it. Because potatoes can taste a bit boring. And then to make them look nice on the plate, some turmeric, because they makes them look yellow. Trouble is, I haven't got any green. No, I've got no green. Weird. Stir that up. I think this is way too much again. But then I haven't eaten. Oh, this is my only meal of the day, actually. So I haven't eaten any biscuits, cakes, chocolate. I've had no breakfast, which is bad really. You should have breakfast. Better not do that too much because I'll have mashed potato and I don't want mashed potato. How long has that got? Another 5 minutes. Now, let's stir these up. Right, what shall I have? Chilli? Nope, don't want that. turmeric, cinnamon, ginger. I've got mixed herbs, coriander leaf, oregano, thyme. Ooh, the lid's a bit loose. Basil. Yeah, put some basil on. I'm going to grow some basil. I like getting it fresh from the leaf, and when I've tried. So we'll have mixed herbs. I always make enough for two. I shouldn't really do this, should I? Just have half of what I got here. And we'll wait until that's ready. I don't think it needs to be done yet. Not far off it. See, I cut them into little chunks instead of just making them whole boiled, because they cook quicker. It doesn't use up so much gas, and I have a meal within 20 minutes. Oh, what was that on? Oh, I've changed everything around. I don't know if you see it. I've got a new cutting board, glass one, rather than the plastic one. I don't really like plastic ones because you can cut into it and then you've got the grain and then you've got to get all the germs out of it, and it's but glass one, once it breaks it breaks, then you chuck it away, but like this it's alright. And I'm on a campsite that's right next to the main road, the Malvern Road that goes from Malvern to Worcester, and you really can hear it. It's like lots and lots of trees, and from... Damn it, sorry about this. Hello? Most of this I would have raw anyway, but well, apart from the courgette. I'd like to have some mushrooms in there, but... Right, let's turn it all off and put it on the plate. And get my nice super duper dressing on it. So, way too much, but I'm hungry. So, way too much. Should put this on 2 plates. Wouldn't look so bad then, would it? I don't know how I'm going to eat all that. But we will give it a go. It's a little bit burnt. Let's stick it there anyway. Right, and then we'll pour this on. I should really do it from that side, from the lip. I've got some garlic in there, proper garlic, but I didn't use that. Right, take a picture. There we go. A lot on the plate. Potatoes, Mediterranean vegetables, and chicken and breadcrumbs. Nice. Loads, but I don't care, I'm hungry.